it down. Now that I know that there are 3 different types of conditioners, how do I use these 3 different types of conditioners?
Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how I use my conditioners on wash day. So this is freshly washed hair. It's very dry. I've just had braids for 5 weeks. So I've just taken them out and I need to really get all that moisture back in. So I'm going to show you how I use my rinse out conditioner, my deep conditioner, and then my leave-in conditioner. So if you're deep conditioning, you don't really need to use a regular rinse out conditioner. But I'm going to be using one because I need to detangle, and I just find that it has a bit more slip than a deep conditioner. Deep conditioners tend to be a bit more thick, and I find it quite tricky to detangle. So if you're detangling at a different point in your routine, then you don't really need a regular conditioner. So I'm gonna separate it, put it in different sections, and then I'm gonna use my rinse out conditioner. Okay, so I'm going to put my hair into very rough sections. I'm not going to be too picky about it because it's really tangled right now. And then obviously make sure you're using your conditioner on wet hair. You don't want to be doing it on dry hair. And pay attention to what your conditioner says. So a regular conditioner will usually say leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes. After that, it's not really doing anything. So don't waste your time with leaving on conditioners longer than what it's intended for. So I'm going to just go ahead and detangle with a regular rinse out. Okay, so now my hair is fully detangled. This was just with the rinse out conditioner, so it doesn't need to sit on my hair any more than this. I'm just going to go ahead and rinse it out, and then I'm going to go in with my deep conditioner. Okay, I've rinsed out my conditioner. I'm going to go in with my deep conditioner now. I'm just going to keep it in 4 sections. So you can use smaller sections if it's easier. And I use quite a generous amount of deep conditioner and just sort of keep adding. So it's a lot thicker than your leave-in, and you usually want to start at the bottom and just work your way up. So you shouldn't be putting any product on your scalp really. And I just sort of finger rake it through, make sure it really gets into the hair strands and that it's distributed evenly. So my hair dries quite quickly. If you feel your hair drying, add some more water. You want to be doing this while your hair is still wet. So you don't put deep conditioner on dry hair, or any conditioner for that matter. So the center of the head is often one of the driest areas. So I always add a little bit more there. As you're lazy natural, you'll see that I'm very lazy with my section. Okay, so that's that. So I'm going to leave my deep conditioner on for about 45 minutes to an hour. That's usually good enough. If you find that your hair still feels dry after about 30 minutes, you're probably not using a very good conditioner, or it's just not working well for your hair. So you really don't need to be deep conditioning for like overnight or 5 hours. It's just not necessary. So I'm gonna put on a cap and then just let it sit for about 45 minutes. So this is a great time to also add some heat, especially if you have low porosity hair. And if you have a heat cap, so what I'm going to do is just wet a towel and put it in the microwave just to heat it up, and then wrap up my hair. That helps just get in a little bit more moisture. You can even just take a hair dryer and just go around the tops of your hair just to add a bit of moisture. But yeah, so I'll see you after an hour. Hey guys, so I've just finished deep conditioning. I've just rinsed it out. So you can already see how much healthier my curls look. They're a lot more defined. So I don't have anything on right now. I had it on for an hour. I added a little bit of heat and then I rinsed it off with cool water to just seal the cuticles again. So it's feeling very moisturized, and I'm going to just end it off with adding some leave-in conditioner. So the leave-in, you obviously leave it in your hair. And I'm going to end my wash day with that. So that just helps to retain all the moisture that you've put in so that it lasts throughout the week or until your next wash day. And yeah, that's that. So again, I'm going to apply it in very rough sections because I'm lazy. But yeah, you can do smaller sections. And if you're using styling creams or anything like that, you can sort of lay it on. So starting with your leave-in conditioner and then add in your styling product. But I'm not going to put anything else on top of that. So I'm not using too much. And I'm just going to use my styling brush just to brush it through to make sure it's evenly distributed. And that is it. I am done with wash day. I'll just let the product sit on my hair, and this is gonna help just keep all the moisture in. So if you plan on styling it more or doing anything further than this, you can do that. I'm gonna let it air dry, and then afterwards I'll add in an oil just to seal once it's dried a little bit. But yeah, that's it. I hope that's been a little bit helpful in just showing you how to use your different conditioners and when each is necessary. So yeah.